in any organization, it's important for us to be clear on the direction that we're going, on our expectations, and our why. What is the reason, the driving reason that we do the things that we do? At Timberview Middle School, we're no different. It's important for us to understand our why and to understand our common expectations across the campus. We've recently talked about accountability in our leadership team meetings, and we've also had the opportunity to look at some teacher feedback regarding the curriculum, and that actually evolved into a conversation about expectations across the campus and whether or not those are all clearly understood by everybody here. So it's important for us to revisit our campus expectations from time to time, and this format in our online faculty meeting is a great way to go about that. So today's theme for our faculty meeting, our January faculty meeting, is expectations and clarifications, and so we're going to do some of that today just to help everybody, because here's the thing, at Timberview Middle School we have a whole bunch of kid-loving, wonderful, and well-intentioned people who want to do the right thing. And so it's important for us to have clear expectations and a clear direction and know where we're going together so that we can make those good decisions and make sure that those decisions are in keeping with the direction that we're going as a campus. So with that in mind, you're going to see some segments in this faculty meeting. I started to say today, but you can access it anytime you want to, so that's great. Some segments on grading guidelines and grading expectations and practices in the building, best practices on grading. I'll even share with you a little research-based background on that. We're going to talk about vertical and grade level meetings and the expectation regarding that. You'll see a little piece on that. And then you're also going to get a little refresher on the purpose of our committees, because we've had a little bit of talk back and forth about, well, if I'm not on a committee, then I can't do this thing or that. And so I want to clarify that really quickly for us all as well. We'll have a little encouragement, and we'll have a little segment on the fundamentals of leadership from Keller ISD and how that applies to us as a campus. So hopefully there will be a lot of things in this month's faculty meeting that will be really helpful to you.